Yeah, George.
Get my club right here. I know.
Wait, far back. Do it. All the way back under the stairs.
Down and then. Oh, drink it. It's so white. It's so white.
It's vinegar.
Come on, we're recording. Drink that shit, man. There's no wine in this shit. Smells like guns.
White, nice white shirt.
Yeah. Suck it. Yeah, guys. We're doing it, boys. We're doing it. Joey. I cannot believe we're still recording this. First. Speech.
Take a knee.
Sean, you have to swirl it, look at it, sniff it.
Yeah, it smells like shit.
Troy's next. It goes in the mouth.
Oh, another one. Oh!
Double dip, baby!
Is that good, huh?
You got
Is that good?
Shit.
Oh, man. Here, friend. Oh, shit.
Hold on to Troy's beer. Hold on to Troy's sack. Go. Let him do it. Let him do it up. All guns all the time. Count him down. Shit, somebody do something for him. Do it again. We gotta count you down. It's supposed to be fucking heavy because it's got a lot of booze in it. Troy! 69, 17, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, Troy! Come on. There he goes. Oh, falling forward.
Peter Baker! Woo!
And come on, this is going down. Mazel Peter! Troy, you're Peter Baker! Turn the boost!
Dude, once that air gets up there, dude, that's a good design. Oh, God, that's disgusting. Oh.
Fill the whole gun full of shit.
Hook it up.
My God. Fucking stuff is terrible.
Sean's next, and after Sean.
Oh, God, it's got the worst aftertaste.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Oh, it tastes like cum.
Dude, it tastes worse now than it did when I was drinking it.
Yeah, he's not doing good shit on the bottom, huh? I can't believe that they built the whole thing with shit. I'm with you the whole time. Help me with this.
Come on, Sean.
Julie! Yeah, Lex Luthor. Everyone, right? Julie! Right now! Like a real pro right here. Not even a blink.
Danny!
Goes to me. Goes to me next, brother.
Dan's gonna vomit in a second.
Get Danny.
Clear it out.
Danny's boring.
It's about how much you can swallow.
Paul's gonna love this. Danny! Drink!
Oh, he's getting uneasy. Whoa, he's going down. He's going down.
Chug!
Yeah! Holy shit!
Good man!
What's left in there? What's left in there?
Not much. Fucking wall drinking.
Stupid! Murphy, you and I, Murphy.
This is how much fun I'm having.
Gorman, best wedding ever.
Oh my God.
Open your throat, George. Open your throat. George, open your throat. Just open your throat, George. Open your throat. George, open your throat.
Open the throat to the ass.
Just open your throat, George.
Remember, it's all gonna come out your ass.
George,
Holy shit.
I'm not fucking wind up like this. George, I'm next. I am covered in booze. And this motherfucker better get covered just as much. Because if he doesn't fucking, if he's not covered in booze, it's not maple syrup.
Patty, you gotta take a swig.
I'll go one.
All right.
Napkins.
God bless. I need a lot of napkins. Hold on. This is some on the chest. Alright, here we go.
I got the shit in my eyes.
Everyone is doing fun.
Yeah!
Come on!
Come on! Boo! Alright, do it all by myself. Fuck you, Joe. I'll do it myself. Fuck you, Joe. I'll see you in a minute. I'll do it myself. Well, you do what? All that right. With video TV too?
Brendan! Gorman! Oh man, Danny!
8 bottles of wine that we're trying to drink in 35 seconds.
Why not, right? Why not? Why not? Here we go, Danny. Yeah, boy! Yeah! He looked down the barrel of the gun and he won! Yeah, Murphy! Danny looked down the barrel of the gun and he won!
There is still booze in the bottom of that fucking barrel right there.
Oh man.
How much I can't believe. Daddy, throw it up. Get rid of it. I cannot believe how much fucking wine is in that thing.
Am I gonna kill it?
Come on. Baker!
We gotta kill her.
Joey, this is a great hit.
Oh, we're seeing the end. We're seeing the end.
We're not
going,
baby. He's gonna put it down before it goes down.
Keep going.
Keep fucking down it on his shirt.
That fucking shit is.
Am I done?
Jesus Christ.
Can I finish? Can
Yes.
I kill?
It's the stock. It's the stock that kills
I
you.
can't even do it. I can't
There's
do
fucking
Die.
There's not a chance.
There's a lot more booze in there than I think
like
there is.
Yeah, it's like a bottle
See,
of.
you're not even paying attention to the video camera, but I know there's a lot more booze in there than I think there is.
Lose everybody because
There's a lot more booze in there. There's a lot more booze in there than either of us.
We looked at it from afar, and it definitely looked a lot less. It was like, it's a fucking entire gun of booze.
It's like, it's just a fucking shotgun worth of booze. I can't wait to post this shit on YouTube. It's a long video and it's all good. It's all full of goodness.
Alright, let's do it. Let's do it.
I mean, do what?
I don't know. Are we getting a smoke break?
Patty's giving it a job.
after this, we go inside. But we gotta finish this shit. Patty
You have
said
to kill a shotgun. I will lay it out.
no, you're good. I freaking sucked down 4 gulps of it. And I was like, I'm a pussy, man. I didn't even want to fucking dead it.
You're not a pussy.
No, you don't think of it. Look at this thing.
Were I to finish this, I would